What's up, everyone? Justin here, just with some WWE news. Possibly Hall of Fame induction. We all know Triple H was announced. He's going to go in as a headliner. I think he will be the headliner of the Hall of Fame in 2025. We know he's going in probably as a headliner. But some breaking news. Demolition signed a Legends contract. So I'm pretty sure they're going to get put in the fucking Hall of Fame finally. Finally. Demolition, one of my favorite tag teams of all time. I love Axe. I love Smash. I loved them together as a team. I absolutely loved them, was a big fan of Demolition, the tag team. Yeah, they had singles runs, they had singles careers, pretty successful. I think Axe was better as a singles because Barry Darsow never was that good as a singles. He never held a singles title, anything like that. The point is, I'm a huge Demolition fan. I didn't see them as a Road Warriors ripoff. They were different. They had one of the longest WWF tag team title reigns in history. They're like right below the New Day. It's above them for a longer reign. Demolition held the titles from March 88 when they won them at WrestleMania 4 until, the end of 89, maybe. They were the champions a long time, the WWF Tag Champs. I just wanted to make this short video saying congratulations. Demolition signed a Legends contract. They're a part of WWE now. That's awesome. Vince, you were a fucking idiot for never letting them come back and put them in the Hall of Fame where they deserve to be when they're still alive. Demolition, you deserve it. I hope you get in the Hall of Fame in 2025. Bye for